Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to turn off auto lock on your iPad screen. Go to your setting, look for your display and brightness. Down below, it will give you an option for auto lock. It says 2 minutes, and I will click that one, but it's not letting me. The reason why sometimes your battery low power mode is on, you have to turn it off. You go back to your display and brightness. Now go back down. If you notice the auto lock, you can click it now, and sometimes you set it up on 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Just click never, and after that it will never turn off on you when you're doing something. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe.